Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at how to fix you discovered a premium feature on Spotify. So, when you go to Spotify on a free account, you may discover that when you do things such as skipping multiple times or trying to select something individually in a playlist, you may receive a pop up that shows that you have discovered a premium feature. So, as you can see, I'm scrolling on Spotify and I skip a couple of times. And after skipping a couple of times, you may receive how to go into a premium account because when you're in a free account, you only have limited skips, which means you only have a certain amount of skips that you're allowed to do. And if you want to properly listen to playlists for free, you want to click the little shuffle icon there in the bottom left, which is the crossing arrows. That'll let you listen to playlists for free because without a premium account, you can't click any individual song. You also want to make sure that you have your correct Wi Fi on because ads may not load properly with slow internet. And another thing that you want to do to try and fix an issue with the pop up constantly appearing is you want to clear the cache on your Spotify. So, what you want to do is you want to go to the details of your Spotify app and locate the storage section of said app so that you can clear the cache and possibly fix the issue of it popping up. It has helped me a couple of times, but it may not work for everyone. And another thing that you can do if that does not work is you can delete the app and reinstall it. That way, after you've properly logged in with the correct credentials, you can try to access your playlist or your next song by skipping. However, just make sure you skip within the allotted amount. I believe it's 3 to 5 skips, something like that, before you receive the pop up. So make sure that you're skipping without going over the limit. And if you do want to avoid these pop ups indefinitely, you can pay for the premium account, of course. Now, I hope this video helped, and if it did, please like and subscribe for more videos of assisting like these. Bye, everyone.